telling about sacred groves, if you are getting questions on that, you need to correlate it with other topics. हेलो गाइस, माय नेम इज डॉक्टर उमा हसन और आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं एक रीसेंट टॉपिक जो कि न्यूज़पेपर में भी आया था एंड दिस इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ एंथ्रोपोलॉजी सिलेबस. दिस इज़ ऑन सेक्रेड ग्रूव्स. अब यूपीएससी आपको इस क्वेश्चन, ये जो टॉपिक है इस पे क्वेश्चन पूछ सकती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, when you are reading the current affairs, definitely it is you're not going to get that question on this, that what is the SC directives on sacred groves, but you need to know, you have to identify ये topic anthropology syllabus में कहाँ पे है. So it is a part of your sacred complex and nature man spirit complex. Okay, so we have got lot many questions on this topic. So some of the questions are like recent nature man spirit complex, sacred geography. Okay, so these are type of the question. So let's first understand what is sacred groves. Sacred groves are patches of forest, not necessarily only forest, but natural vegetation protected for their religious, cultural and ecological significance. So we know that how man has vital relationship with its surroundings, specifically our natural surroundings. We are not dependent on these natural resources for our survival, economic, in terms of our economical necessities, but we are also dependent on our natural settings with respect to our religious feelings and our social cultural beliefs. So this is what sacred groves is. So it plays and have a huge role in our life. You have to relate it with a concept called deep ecology. अब इस पे यूपीएससी ने क्वेश्चन भी पूछा हुआ है. So how you are going to refine your answer on a topic which was recently discussed in leading newspapers, that is sacred groves. Okay, so we need to see that from an anthropological perspective, they represent the deep interconnection between human societies and their environment, embodying indigenous knowledge systems, spiritual beliefs and traditional conservation practices. So we are dependent on our ecology for various other dimensions. Okay, so this is it. Now you need to produce some more facts. So many tribal and rural communities in India and other parts of the world preserve these grooves, okay, because they have a belief that their ancestral spirits are living in these grooves. Okay, so they have this belief that they want to protect it, they want to preserve it. Why? Because these grooves as spaces where deities, ancestral spirits or supernatural beings reside. Okay, so after telling about sacred groves, if you are getting questions on that, you need to correlate it with other topics, okay, which is there in your anthropology. For example, the concept of animism. Then you can talk about various debates, for instance, with respect to tribal integration and the kind of approaches Indian government have deployed in order to have tribal, to have tribal welfare schemes. So we have different approaches. So one of the approaches is isolationist approach. One of the approaches of tribal integration as assimilationist. So this also signifies that how Indian government or Indian society, Indian scholars, social scientists have also played a significant emphasis on tribal integration, because these people have the huge belief systems with respect to their natural settings. Okay, they have an emotional connection. This is what Varier Elwin debate is. Okay, Varier Elwin, who is leading Indian anthropologist. Okay, he had taken Indian citizenship, so he had argued that how we have to maintain integration, how we have to preserve tribal people's culture. So it is better to protect not only their beliefs by giving them by giving them some areas, we also have to integrate some mechanisms, some policies, some laws. So he had suggested to have a national park, okay, so that you just have to identify some areas as national park where these tribal peoples would live as their choices, okay. So why? Because they have a very strong connection with their environment. So this is what you need to see. So anthropologists view sacred groves as examples of sacred ecology, where religious beliefs enforce environmental conservation without the need for formal legal frameworks, okay. So this is what you will see. Then, as I have said, you need to produce anthropological answer. So LP Vidyarthi have played a significant role, and his research is signifying the same point, okay. So ethnographic studies have shown that these groups often serve as reservoirs of biodiversity, preserving rare plant and animal species. Furthermore, they function as social spaces, reinforcing group identity, customary laws, and oral traditions. Okay, so these are the important part which you people have to say, and then you can make some diagrams the way you can see on my screen. Nature main spirit complexity. So the study of sacred groves helps anthropologists understand how cultural and religious values influence ecological sustainability, demonstrating the role of indigenous communities in environmental stewardships. Okay, so this is how you people have to incorporate your current affair topics in your anthropological topics, right? So this you have already covered, right? I am telling with respect to all the students who are seeing the anthropology, and specific to my students who are part of my classroom students. So I have told you that how animism concept, how nature and spirit complexity is very important. Now, whenever you are observing, you are witnessing such news, okay, in recent days, okay, in recent newspaper, for example, जैसे आपने sacred groves का ये news में देखा, okay, तो अब आपको ये समझ में आ जाना चाहिए कि अच्छा अभी अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इसके ऊपर कोई डायरेक्टिव्स दिया है तो इट इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक, हॉट टॉपिक, राइट, ऑन विच यू पीपल हैव टू मेक द नोट्स. अब जब आपने सीक्रेट ग्रुप्स को एक्सप्लेन कर दिया, जैसे मैंने भी एक्सप्लेन करा है, आफ्टर दैट आपको फिर बताना भी है, यू नो, जस्ट 1 or 2 लाइन्स. सो दिस इज अ वेरी कॉमन मेथ दैट एंथ्रोपोलॉजी इज अबाउट करंट अफेयर्स. आपको करंट अफेयर्स ये नहीं बताना कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट का क्या जजमेंट था अबाउट द सीक्रेट ग्रुप्स एंड सो ऑन. आपको कॉन्सेप्ट समझाना है, एंथ्रोपोलॉजिकल कॉन्सेप्ट समझाना है, ठीक है. बट देन जस्ट बिफोर राइटिंग द कंक्लूजन एनालिसिस में आप लिख सकते हैं दैट रिसेंटली सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑल्सो हैव गिवन सम जजमेंट, और उसके 1-2 फैक्ट्स, और फिर आप कोरिलेट करो सीक्रेट ग्रुप्स, द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ स्पिरिट, मैन, नेचर, कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी. आई होप यू लाइक माई video. Thank you.